Come to a comfortable seated position and close your eyes, and for a moment just allow yourself to take in the sounds. Take a deeper breath in and exhale, letting everything go. Now notice the sensations of your body. Feel the sensations of your body, your entire body in this moment. Feel the sensations of your breath, that gentle expansion on the inhale and softening on the exhale. Slow down that internal pace and simplify everything just to focus on your senses. And now we drop into some breath work, breathing in and out for 4 counts for 3 rounds, breathing in and out for 6 counts for 3 rounds, and breathing in and out for 8 counts for 3 rounds. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, for 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 8, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back to your normal breath and feel yourself in this present moment, feeling the sensations of your body, feeling the sensations of your breath, and tuning into any sounds that you can hear. Seeing if you can feel the body, the breath, and tune into the sounds with this open awareness at the same time. And let's take a deep breath in Out through the mouth. A deep breath in. A cleansing breath out. And one more deep cleansing breath in and out. Slowly opening the eyes and coming back. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.